What's up, everybody? We're back. We went to Pick and Pull and we picked up a different seat belt for the BMW 3 Series. I picked up a bunch of them before, but all of them were either locked or they didn't work the way they should. So today we are installing another one, and hopefully everything will work. I've installed another one already. The problem is it's working funny. It kind of gets stuck sometimes. So in today's video we are installing the seat belt and buttoning everything up in this area. So we have to finish the trim, the middle piece, and then the BMW will be ready. Apart from the paint job, but it's just too cold right now. I'm not gonna send it to paint, and I need to get it ready first for the paint job. But I don't mind. Honestly, I'm not ashamed of driving this car the way it is. You know, some people want a car, and I have the car. I don't care the way it looks outside, as long as everything works. When it's time, when it's warm, I'm gonna get it painted. Plus I have different plans for the mirrors, for example. I found some cool mirrors for that. Well, the caps outside anyway. And then different bumper in the front. And no, not an M3 bumper, because everybody does it and it's overrated. And maybe different hood, maybe different headlights, I don't know, we'll see. For now, my plan is to get it running, get it insured, and enjoy the car the way it is. And then we can go and do the cosmetics. So stay tuned, watch the video. It would be good if the camera would actually film, but we got it in. It's just reverse procedure. When you unscrew it, you just do the same in reverse. So that's in. Now we clean up the car a little bit, and we can move on to the next project, which is the Cadillac. I finished buttoning up the interior of the car. All done in there. And also today we got ourselves a treat. I got a nice lift, 3-ton lift with 2 stands, because I'm gonna change the transmission oil in the BMW. I need access under the car, so I'm gonna be putting it on 4 stands. And this one was on sale for $172 and change. Let's see what's inside. This guy will lift a truck, the Cadillac, the BMW, the Dodge Ram, no problem. The other one was just junk, but anyhow, I can only recommend you guys can see, very cheap, very good quality. I love it. $169, $172 with tax. You can't beat that. You can't get a 3-ton jack with 2 stands. No way. If you guys need any part source, Canadian Tire, I don't know if Napa have them, but Part Source and Canadian Tire have the same deal, where Canadian Tire is, I believe, $10 cheaper. So they go out quickly. If you guys need them, I can only recommend. Stay tuned. Next thing, I'm gonna work on the Cadillac. We're gonna do the bumper right there. We're gonna sand it down, mud it, sand it, and get it ready. And then we're gonna sand the rusty rear bumper, and then that puppy is gonna be on the road too.